With these 3 ingredients, goodbye to nail fungus. Amazing! Remember, all people are not the same. It is possible that this home remedy will serve you, and it may not work for you. There is no magic or miracles in health, do not forget. There is nature and the desire to do things well. If you have doubts about what you do, consult your doctor. We will not be responsible for what might happen. When fungi appear on the nails can be very embarrassing, although these can be treated with certain topical treatments, antifungal drugs that are oral, and sometimes with the surgical removal of the nail. The only thing is that with these treatments have side effects. The good news is that today we show you a traditional herbal medicine to treat toe fungus and without side effects. These are natural oils, fruit juices and dry products. So pay close attention and note the ingredients you need for this effective natural method. When the fungus is on the feet, it can be due to an abnormal pH of the skin, constant exposure to moisture, the use of synthetic socks, low defenses, accumulation of sweat on the skin, poor hygiene of the feet, or bad circulation. But now you will know how to get rid of these fungi effectively. You need ethyl alcohol 90%. Hydrogen peroxide, white vinegar. Preparation: 1. In a glass container, mix all the ingredients in equal parts and in the same order. 2. Then, with a little cotton, apply on the damaged nail 2 times a day. Leave on for 15 minutes and remove with warm water. 3. Now, dry the nails. Try it and leave us your comments. I assure you that the results will enchant you. I ask